Ever sit down to study and suddenly you're researching if spiders have sleep schedules? Yeah, same. You plan to study for 3 hours, but 15 minutes in, your brain, what if we rearrange the bookshelf? Your eyes, look, a flying potato outside the window. Your phone, hey, want to scroll for 47 years? If your focus dies faster than your phone battery on 1%, then listen up. Because today we're unlocking the secrets to study for hours without getting distracted. Even if your attention span is shorter than a TikTok ad. Understand why you get distracted. Your brain loves dopamine. And guess what gives it dopamine fast? Scrolling, snacking, stalking your crush's profile for the 74th time. Studying, that's slow dopamine. It's like broccoli for your brain. So when you try to focus, your brain rebels like, no thanks. I'd rather imagine what I'd say in my Oscar speech. Solution? Stop treating your brain like it's lazy. It's not. It's just bored. Your job? Make studying feel like a game, not a punishment. Use the 5-5-5 focus formula. Yup, I made that up, but it works. Step 1, 5-minute launch. Don't aim for 3 hours. Just tell yourself, let's do 5 minutes. This tricks your brain, because once you start, momentum kicks in. That's science. It's called the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain hates incomplete tasks. Use that. Step 2, 5-minute rule for distractions. When you feel like checking your phone, tell yourself, wait 5 minutes. Just 5. Most urges disappear if you don't feed them instantly. Craving equals wave. Write it. Step 3, 5 distraction killers. Here's your distraction SWAT team. 1. App blocker. Use forest or focus mode. Second, study space equals sacred. No bed, no chaos. 3. Noise equals weapon dash. Use brown noise or study beats. 4. Phone. Exiled, far, face down, airplane mode. 5. Micro goals. Break tasks into tiny wins. Page 1. 1 formula. 10 flashcards. Don't fight a war. Win one small battle at a time. Hack time like a productivity ninja. Time block. Like a boss, use the 50-10 rule or Pomodoro. Study 50 minutes. Break 10 minutes. Repeat. No breaks equals burnout. Breaks equals brain fuel. Use break time wisely. Move, walk, stretch. No screens, no doom scrolling. Drink water like you're in a hydration competition. Do a brain dump before starting. Your mind races with, don't forget to feed the cat, or that embarrassing moment in 2017. Fix. Write everything down before you start. Free your mind. Focus mode unlocked. The power of deep work zones. Cal Newport called it deep work. I call it beast mode bubble. It's a zone where nothing exists but you and your goal, like a black hole of focus. Here's how to create your own. Ritualize the start. Have a consistent routine that signals, it's go time. Example. Put phone in drawer. Play the same lo-fi playlist. Sip water. Open only what you need. Now your brain learns, when I do this, I enter focus mode. Use the re-entry ritual. Lost focus, mind wandered. Instead of spiraling, re-enter fast. Say this out loud. Restarting. Back to the mission. Take a deep breath. Glance at your to-do, boom, you're back. Study smart, not hard. You could stare at your book for 6 hours and remember nothing, or study smart for 2 hours and retain it like a boss. Here's how. Use active recall. Don't reread. Ask, answer, repeat. Flashcards, practice questions, teach the wall. Use spaced repetition. Don't cram. Revise using Anki or a spaced schedule. Memory needs space to grow, like abs. Except you can have this without the gym pain. Mix subjects. Your brain loves variety. Study math for 45 minutes, then switch to bio. It's called interleaving. No more zombie mode boredom. The mindset of a focused beast. Distractions aren't just external. Some are internal. The I'm not good enough. The why even try. The I'll never catch up. Shut. That. Noise. Down. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to get 1% better each day. That's it. And that's how legends are built. So, the next time your brain tries to scroll you into the abyss, remember this. Your dreams deserve more attention than your notifications. Your future needs more effort than your excuses. Start small, stay consistent, and make distraction your enemy, not your identity. You got this. Like, comment, share this with your distracted bestie. And hey, if you studied today, even for 5 minutes, I'm proud of you. Keep showing up. Your future self is watching.